If you're always looking for smart ways to make cooking easier, today's video is for you. We've rounded up 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are practical, convenient, and designed to simplify everyday tasks in the kitchen. From clever cooking tools to time-saving appliances, these picks can help you prepare meals faster while adding a little extra fun to your routine. And don't miss number 5, it could become your favorite kitchen helper and save you a surprising amount of time every day. So, whether you're upgrading your kitchen or searching for your next great Amazon find, let's jump in and explore these must-have gadgets.
Number 10.
Elite Gourmet EG808 Electric Skillet. Preparing large meals with limited stovetop space can be challenging, especially when cooking for family or guests. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet offers a convenient way to fry, sauté, simmer, and prepare one-pan meals without relying entirely on the stove. Its spacious cooking surface provides room for a variety of recipes, while adjustable temperature controls help handle different cooking styles. The non-stick interior makes food release and cleanup easier, saving time after meals. Whether you're making breakfast, stir-fries, or comfort foods, this electric skillet adds flexibility to your kitchen routine. It's a practical appliance for busy households looking for a simple and versatile cooking solution.
Number 9.
Chefman Electric Kettle. Waiting for water to boil on the stovetop can slow down busy mornings and meal preparation. The Chefman Electric Kettle provides a quick and convenient way to heat water for coffee, tea, oatmeal, instant noodles, and more. Its cordless serving design makes pouring easy, while the compact size fits comfortably on most countertops. Automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection add extra convenience to daily use, giving users added peace of mind. Whether you're preparing a hot drink or speeding up cooking tasks, this electric kettle helps simplify everyday routines. It's a useful appliance for students, families, and anyone who enjoys quick access to hot water.
Number 8.
Dezin Hot Pot Electric Upgraded. Cooking simple meals in small spaces can be difficult without a versatile appliance. The upgraded Dezin Electric Hot Pot offers an easy way to prepare soups, noodles, pasta, vegetables, and other everyday dishes in one compact cooker. Its portable design works well for dorm rooms, apartments, offices, and travel, making homemade meals more accessible wherever you are. Adjustable heat settings provide flexibility for different recipes, while the non-stick interior helps simplify cleanup. Whether you're preparing a quick lunch or a comforting dinner, this electric hot pot offers convenience without requiring a full kitchen setup. It's a practical choice for busy lifestyles and smaller living spaces.
Number 7.
Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer. Traditional cooking methods can sometimes require extra oil and multiple appliances to prepare different meals. The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer brings several cooking functions together, making it easier to create crispy and flavorful dishes with less hassle. Its glass cooking container allows you to monitor food while it cooks, adding convenience to the process. Designed for versatility, it can handle a variety of recipes while helping simplify meal preparation and cleanup. The compact design works well in modern kitchens where space matters. For anyone looking to prepare quick and delicious homemade meals, this appliance offers flexibility and everyday convenience.
Number 6.
Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer. Preparing meals for larger families often requires multiple cooking appliances and extra time in the kitchen. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer combines several cooking functions into one spacious appliance, making it easier to cook a variety of dishes. The large interior accommodates bigger portions, while the French door design offers convenient access during cooking. From roasting and baking to air frying and toasting, it supports different meal ideas without taking over the kitchen. Simple controls and versatile cooking options make it suitable for everyday use as well as family gatherings. It's an excellent option for households that appreciate both convenience and cooking flexibility.
Number 5.
Crock-Pot 7-quart Manual Slow Cooker. Busy schedules don't always leave enough time to prepare homemade meals from scratch. The Crock-Pot 7-quart Manual Slow Cooker helps simplify cooking by allowing ingredients to cook slowly throughout the day with minimal supervision. Its generous capacity makes it suitable for large families, meal prep, and entertaining guests. Simple heat settings let users prepare soups, stews, roasts, and other comforting dishes while focusing on other activities. The removable stoneware insert adds convenience for serving and cleaning after meals. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing leftovers for the week, this slow cooker offers an easy and dependable way to enjoy homemade food.
Number 4.
Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Using separate appliances for baking, roasting, dehydrating, and air frying can quickly take up valuable kitchen space. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer combines several cooking options into one convenient appliance, helping simplify meal preparation. Its digital controls make selecting cooking functions straightforward, while the spacious interior accommodates a variety of recipes. From crispy snacks to roasted vegetables and family dinners, it offers flexibility for different cooking styles. The modern design fits well into everyday kitchens and helps reduce clutter by replacing multiple small appliances. For home cooks who enjoy versatility and convenience, this multifunctional air fryer can be a practical addition.
Number 3.
Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. Preparing different snacks and meals often requires several kitchen appliances, creating extra work and taking up storage space. The Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven is designed to handle a variety of cooking tasks in one compact appliance. Whether you're making pizza, warming snacks, or experimenting with quick homemade recipes, it provides a convenient cooking solution for everyday use. Its compact footprint fits well in apartments, dorm rooms, and smaller kitchens while offering versatility for different occasions. Easy controls and straightforward operation make it approachable for cooks of all experience levels. It's a fun and practical appliance for anyone who enjoys quick and creative meals.
Number 2. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer.
Steaming food on the stovetop can require constant attention and multiple pots, making healthy cooking less convenient. The Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer provides an easier way to prepare vegetables, seafood, rice, and other foods while helping preserve natural flavors and textures. The 2-tier design allows multiple ingredients to cook at the same time, making meal preparation more efficient. Simple controls and a compact design make it suitable for everyday kitchens without taking up too much space. Cleanup is straightforward, adding extra convenience after cooking. For anyone interested in healthier homemade meals, this food steamer offers a practical and easy-to-use solution.
Number 1.
OVENTE Electric Sandwich Maker. Making toasted sandwiches in a frying pan can take extra time and often requires flipping for even results. The OVENTE Electric Sandwich Maker simplifies the process by creating warm, crispy sandwiches with minimal effort. Its non-stick cooking plates help reduce sticking and make cleanup easier, while the compact design allows for convenient storage in smaller kitchens. Suitable for classic grilled cheese, breakfast sandwiches and creative snacks, it adds versatility to everyday meal preparation. The straightforward operation makes it easy for busy families, students, and anyone looking for quick homemade meals. It's a simple kitchen appliance that helps turn ordinary sandwiches into satisfying treats. And that's our list of 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are worth adding to your home. Whether you're looking to save time, simplify meal prep, or make everyday cooking a little more enjoyable, these practical finds have something to offer for every kitchen. We'd love to hear which gadget caught your attention the most, so let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon finds and smart kitchen ideas. You can also check the links in the description to learn more about these products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.